Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Pydio on your Ubuntu 24.4 server. By the end of this video it will be fully installed and ready for you to use.
mivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating your packages, install the dependencies and log straight into the MariaDB shell. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, create a database and a user by running the following commands. Now create a dedicated system user and download the executable binary using these commands. Once downloaded, make the file executable and run the setcap command to allow Pydio to bind web ports without running the entire application as root. Next, switch to the Pydio user and launch the built-in configuration wizard using the following command. You will need to select MySQL, enter your database details, provide your domain name or IP address, and set up the username and password for Pydio administrator. After that, exit the Pydio user session and create a system servers file to run the application in the background using this command. Pass the following code into the newly created file. All that's left to do in the terminal is to enable the service and check its status with the following commands. Now open your web browser, navigate to your server IP address followed by port 8080, log in and you're good to go. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching mivoCloud.